Luxurious design, safety, and cutting-edge technology are combined into one device. A brand new product of Yale, digital rim lock for glass door, YDG313. The most outstanding feature of YDG313 is the harmony between the mirror and touchpad. The magic mirror. Instant you touch it, a hidden numbers appears from the mirror. You can check out your back through the mirror before entering the PIN code. The safe thumb turn has a double safety button on the manual opening and a closing device. A double safety button which is opened only by pressing both sides at the same time enhances security. The clip-type bracket supports easy installation whenever you want without any holes. If you purchase the clip-type strike for YDG313, it can be installed in double door without any additional holes. Our cutting-edge technology removes the need to press any buttons to open the door. Just touch the card. The palm-touching technology does not leave fingerprint traces. It is convenient to use both card key and PIN code. YDG313 improves safety remarkably. The fake PIN code prevents your PIN code from being exposed. You can enter any numbers at either the front or the back of the right PIN code, so no one can guess your PIN code even if someone is next to you. The inner force lock and the out force lock double-check the locking in and out of the door. The safe thumb turn ensures intrusion blocking. Auto unlocking and alarm work in case of fire. The intrusion alarm sounds when the door is opened abnormally. Breakage alarm sounds in case of damage or penetration by drilling. We will keep your happiness safe. High-tech bezel zero design. YDG313 comes in a slim in order to increase a sense of unity with the door. The magic mirror is neat and stylish. Like luxurious interior props, YDG313 will change the first impression of your place. You can set easy mode at normal times and advanced mode if you want more security by using a master PIN code as needed. The one-time password, which can be used only under advanced mode, improves security. It disappears after a single usage in case that someone visit at your home while you are outside. When it is connected to the home care communication pack, a remote controller operation starts simultaneously. When battery is low, it is indicated by light and melody. When battery is discharged, you can easily recharge it after using the emergency power supply with 9-volt battery. The world's favorite lock, Yale YDG313, now available.